सचिन तेंदुलकर, विव रिचर्ड्स, पेले, उसेन बोल्ट, नाडिया कामोनाची, बिल गेट्स, एलन मस्क, Richard Branson, Dhirubhai Ambani. These are some of the names which you might have heard. Even if you have not heard, let me tell you, these are some of the names of some famous personalities who did exceedingly well in their careers, whether it is sports, whether it is business or any other field. So today I am going to tell you about the secrets of achieving greatness in any field you want to achieve greatness in. There is an old saying that there are some people who are born great. Then there is other class of people who achieve this greatness, who cultivate this greatness. Then still there is other class of people on whom this greatness is thrust upon. That means they are not great by any mean, but they are made great by their followers, by the people who follow them, or by their admirers or the people who appreciate them. So today I am going to talk about this second class of people who cultivate this greatness. They are ordinary people. They were ordinary people like you and me, but by sheer grit, determination and perseverance, they cultivated this greatness and scaled new heights in their respective field, in their respective career. Hello, my name is Anil Sharma. I am a corporate trainer, motivational speaker and life coach. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. First secret of achieving greatness in any field, in any respective field, is to start early. Yes, starting early is always beneficial. Starting early always has an advantage. And you might have heard an old saying which says that early birds catches the worm. The birds which set out early in their task definitely get good results, definitely fetch good results. So whatever field, whatever area of expertise you want to achieve greatness in, you have to start early. Do you know that Sachin Tendulkar started playing cricket at the age of 4 years? He started handling a cricket bat when he was merely 4 years old. Steve Jobs, fresh out of college, dropped out of college. He didn't complete his graduation. He dropped out of college in his first year, and after that he was very young, just fresh out of high school, dropped out of first year in college, and then he started his Apple Inc. So when you start early in any career, you have bright chances of achieving expertise in that particular career, provided you dedicate your resources, provided you dedicate your energy. So whatever field you want to achieve greatness in any field, if you want to achieve expertise, if you want to learn that trade inside out, if you want to learn the tricks of the trade of that particular field, start early. Starting early always is advantageous, will give you plenty of opportunities to learn, will give you plenty of time to learn the tricks of the trade, and will give you plenty of time to rectify your mistakes and implement the things the way things should be implemented. So if you want to achieve greatness in any field, in your particular field, always start early. Second most important thing is to create your own unique identity. For example, if there are 10 people in a place or in an office or at a place of work or in a business, and all 10 people are doing same things, so what will be the difference between these 10 people? So if you want to achieve greatness, if you want to reach scale heights of success in your respective field of career or job or any other field, create your own unique identity. Look at the success story of any brand. Look at the success story of any sport personality. Look at the success story of any leader. That leader created an aura of uniqueness around his personality. That leader created something unique about himself, or about the work he was doing, or about the brand he created. Look at the story of Apple. Look at the story of Virgin Atlantic. Look at the story of Reliance. They created a unique identity around themselves. So if you want to achieve greatness in your field, the first and foremost thing is to create a unique identity for yourself. Stay apart from the pile. How you are different from your competitors, how you are different from other people. Do not copy anyone. Do not replicate the success formula and success story of other people. You create your own distinctive style of success story. You create your own distinctive style of performance. You create your own distinctive style of delivery and your distinctive brand. If you want to create a brand, or if you want to create a corporation or a business empire. So the most important thing is to copy no one. Develop your own unique style, develop your own unique identity. When this unique identity will be novel, then people or customer will get attracted to it, and ultimately it will lead to great success. Develop a vision for yourself. Yes, Great people, people who achieve greatness in any field, are also visionary people. They are the people who can see what is going to happen in future. They are not clairvoyants. They are the people who anticipate change and prepare planning. They develop strategies to deal with the changes that might happen in future. They are not the people who deal with change as and when it occurs. They are already anticipating change and prepare their planning, their strategies according to the changes which might happen in future. So they have a vision for themselves, how they want to see themselves in the long run, how they are going to anticipate the changes which might happen in future, and they are not content with what's happening with them right now. They are also looking into the future. So they are visionary. They always take a vision with them. They always have a vision 5 years onward, 10 years onward with them, and they prepare their planning, they prepare their strategy according to them. So if you want to achieve greatness in any field, develop a vision for yourself in that particular field. In your field, what is going to happen in future, how things might change in future, and how you are going to anticipate these changes in future. If you have that vision in place, if you have that planning and that preparation in place, then definitely you can achieve greatness in your field. Observers and learning. The people who achieve success in any field are sharp observers and they are great learners. Even if they achieve good success in their career, even if they achieve good success in their job or in their enterprise which they are trying to create, they never stop learning. They always keep learning new ways of doing things. They always keep learning tricks of the trade. They always sharpen their skills, and thus they keep themselves one step ahead of others. Apart from that, another quality these great achievers have is sharp observation. They minutely observe things which are happening all around them. They minutely observe changes which are taking place all around them. You might have heard the story of Newton, who observed an apple falling off the tree. Now it is not happening for the first time that an apple was falling off the tree. Apples have been falling off trees since time immemorial. But it was Newton who minutely observed why this apple is coming down, why this apple is not going up, and thus he discovered a great principle of gravity, and mankind benefited by that one observation of Newton in a great way. The rule, the principle of gravity was discovered. So all these achievers, the people who achieve great success in any career, in any field, in any job, they are keen learners. They always keep learning. They never stop their journey of learning, and they are sharp observers. They observe things very minutely. They do some sort of introspection, and they minutely observe changes. They minutely observe things which are happening all around them. Finally, these people have 3 P's in their approach. They have a plan in place, they have patience, and they are high on perseverance. These kind of people never like to work in unstructured situations. They always work according to a plan. That means there is always a plan in place. Whatever task they take up, whatever work they are doing, they always work according to a plan. Secondly, they are very high on patience also. Sometimes as it happens that success doesn't happen, success doesn't come the way they are expecting it, but even after that they don't give up. They are very high on patience. They don't give up easily. They don't get frustrated easily. They don't give up things easily. Just stick to it and keep doing the things the way the things should be done. So they are very high on patience. And third and most important thing is that they are perseverant people. The people who believe in perseverance, continuation in spite of difficulties. Difficulties come, problem come, challenges come, but these people don't give up. So they have plan in place, they are high on patience, and they persevere. They always like to work in spite of difficulties. Sometimes as it happens that failure comes, frequently failure comes in their way, but even after that they don't give up. The story of Thomas Alva Edison is very famous in this respect. Thomas Alva Edison, when he was trying to invent an electricity bulb, he got failed almost 900 times, but even after that he persevered. He didn't give up. Getting failed for 900 times, that person was perseverant enough not to give up and continue trying new ways of doing things. That's how these people make themselves great in their respective field.